Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW A80s, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once the content that you wish to capture is visible on your screen, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up along with the sound, giving you an info that it's saving screenshot, and then just a quick pop-up right here, which will disappear in a moment. Now, to view your screenshot, all you will need to do is just open up your Photos application. Disregard this. I love how it's finding that it has an update even though there's no network. Let's close this, go back. Shouldn't pop up. There we go. So in here we're gonna navigate to library, and in library you will find an album called Screenshot. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.